Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Sunny and this car have a problem U1000 and U1001 like this fault in CAN communication circuit. That's the problem. And this video I will show you how you can solve this U code and how you can solve this problem. In this car, what happened? It's sometimes when I drive car, sometime in road, sometimes it is stuck, gear jerking or warning light came like this, and then ignition off, and then 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then again start, then your car will be fine. Then after 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, same like this. That's the problem. So when I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault U code U1000 or U0111 like this. So what is the actual problem? If your car have same problem, what you want to do? Okay, first check here in body control, this unit, check all those fuses are good or not. Sometimes there is a communication issue in fuse. Here check all fuse. I already check, everything is perfect. And then check body ground with TCM, this one, this is perfect. And check this one. If anyone lose, any of them lose, also same happen like U code. Okay, this is also perfect, that one perfect. Check TCM and engine wire, engine computer wire, everything if is perfect. So in this car everything is perfect. I check body ground and everything. Okay, then what happened you think? So I check inside. Here inside the car I remove this box, and what I see, it's shocking. Anybody see wiring? I think anyone cut like this or what happened? That's the problem. And one thing, they fix one relay for this is main ground wire for body ground, but why they fix relay I don't know. I think is fixed before, but they cancel then. But body ground like this, here this wire cut and they fix relay, and that's the main problem, cause body ground didn't get perfectly, cause it's gone through the relay. Okay, so when you drive they didn't fix proper ground. That's the problem, sometime issue. So what if your car have same problem, check like this, all those wiring front and inside. Okay, so in my case that's the problem. Okay, thank you.